Hi, this is your girl Light Brown. Now cooking up another look in the kitchen. Today I'm going to do another holiday look. I'm going to match this sweater here. And the two colors that I'm going into today is going to be Decadent. It's the Morphe palette. This is the Morphe palette. I think they call this the Jewels palette because it's got all this amethyst and all that kind of stuff in it. But yeah, I'm going to use Decadent and this one, this glitter down here. I don't know if you can see it that good, but it's glittery. See, I'm gonna use that glitter, that shimmer. I'm just gonna use those two colors. And so yeah, let's get into this look. I've already done my eyebrows, so the video won't be too long. But yeah, let's prime my eyes first. I need a mirror. Okay, so I'm going to use this mirror on this Morphe palette right here. Y'all see me use this palette a lot, the Blue Your Way palette. So I'm going to use this mirror on this palette. Now I'm going to set my eyes with this powder right here. And the first color I'm going into is this one right here, Decadent. I'm going into that one. I think I'm just gonna go all the way over the lid with this one. Because that shimmer is going on the top of that. Okay, so now I'm going to go into, let me see. Yeah, I'm going to need something to darken that crease up just a little bit. I'm going to go into this other brown color. It's this one right here. Or should I go into Swagger? Let me see. What is this one called? Let's see what this one will do first. Okay, this one is working out. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this shimmer color. The shimmer color right here. And I'm going to use my finger for that one. This shimmer color. It's called Show Off. Okay. So that's what that looks like. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is, I was gonna draw a wing, but no, I'm just gonna line my eye. Just line it. This is not a magnetic liner, but I'm just gonna line my eye. Should I line my eye? I don't think I should, but I could. Let me see. I'm gonna have to get some tape and get this glitter off my face because it is everywhere. Okay, so the lashes I'm gonna be using today is from VLT Beauty, and they look like this. They are called Victoria. So I'm gonna use these lashes today. Okay, so now we're gonna get into putting a primer on the face. Using this NYX Hydro Touch primer, and I love this primer because it's so hydrating, and it's good with your foundation too, and it smells good. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to apply my foundation. The foundation I'm using is the MAC Studio Fix foundation. I love this foundation. It gives you a flawless finish every time. So MAC is great with the foundations. Okay, here I am applying concealer. I'm applying it under my eyes. I'm going to apply it on my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and chin. Okay, I'm going to contour. This is the CoverGirl contour. It's a concealer too, but I use it as a contour. Make sure I don't use too much of it. I'm going to try going on my jawline this time. Make it a little darker under there. I pray this blends out well. Okay. Let me see if I can find another beauty blender. Okay, so I'm gonna use this beauty blender to blend out that contour. Might have let it stay up there too long and it's dry. You gotta get up under here to make your chin look snatched, like you lost a lot of weight. You gotta contour underneath that chin. Make it look skinny. Okay, so I'm gonna use my foundation brush to get rid of any demarcations on my face. So I'm kind of blend that in a little bit more, that contour. Okay. So now I'm gonna set the contour. I'm going into this Sephora palette in this shade right here. Okay. And I'm gonna set my eyes where I conceal that with this Mented Skin Silk. I forgot to contour my nose. I always forget. Let me see, I'm gonna have to, I can't go back and use that cream contour because that's gonna be a mess. So I'm gonna contour my nose with that Sephora contour kit. Now I'm going to this shade right here, the lighter shade. Okay, and I'm gonna blend that out lightly so I won't lose the contour. Okay, now for the blush. I'm going into this shade right here, this peach shade. Now we're gonna bronze. And I'm using the Mented, that was an e.l.f. Palette. That was an e.l.f. blush palette. I just used, I will put everything I use in the description box below. This is the Mented Bronze Beach Bum. I'm gonna bronze with that. And it's the Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. Okay, now I'm just taking a little bit of highlighter, the Becca Opal highlighter, and going right there on my brow bone just to give it a little pop, just a little bit of highlighter. And now we are going to set the face. I'm using the Morphe's the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Okay, and for my lips, y'all know the drill. This goes with everything. This Venus, Anastasia Beverly Hills Venus lip gloss goes with everything, especially the holiday. I wanted to use another color, but I just can't. In my collection, I got dark brown, I got all kinds of lipsticks and stuff like that, but this one right here, this lip gloss is just, I gotta sharpen this pencil. And see, when you put enough liner on, this lip gloss turns into, you know, this color right here. So I always use the brown liner with it. Okay. So it's still giving you that brown look, but it's glossy. Okay, so now this completes my look. Take down my hair. Okay, so yes, this completes my look. I could have bumped this hair a little bit with some curls, but this is it. So yes, thank you for watching my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's Cooking Up a Look, and Facebook is Cooking Up a Look. And you have a great day.